Hey, so, funny thing. We had part 2 videos, but we ended up when we went to publish it, since we're out doing it in the woods, we lost internet connection. So we dang lost the whole dang video. We set up the little trap, but, it's like all we really did. And then I'm looking for Case now, because he's setting up a bigger trap. Case, where are you? Coming! So we're looking for him now, but... Case, I don't see you! Oh, I see him. But, yeah, we lost the whole dang video. But,
How do I get the dagger paint to work?
I don't know. Set that part down. I guess set the plate down. All you people who actually know how to set a dang trap, please tell us. Just please. We don't know how. You gotta set that part first, I think, though. Pull it up, baby. Look, bend that. Or, like, pull it up. I don't know. Pull the plate.
All right, pull.
Might be too rusted. That might be why.
I done tried that. All right, go.
Do what? Look. I don't think that's how it's supposed to work. Stupid thing.
Go run and get me a hammer.
No, I don't. We might not. Oh, we don't need to bend that. We're stupid.
There's nothing on the sides to set it.
Exactly. I don't know. How did you set the little one?
Y'all.
Oh, dang it.
Go run and get me a hammer.
We're not supposed to bend it.
Hammer it is down.
We're not supposed to. No, we're not supposed to.
Who said?
Wait, push it down while I pull.
All right, pull. Ugh.
Do it again. Push it way down and push hard. Oh, shoot, you're covered in the foam. Ready, go. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Maybe that's how. Yeah. Go. There we go. We got it, people.
Wait, you didn't. Wait. Go.
No, look. And then when they walk onto that.
Wait, would it go?
Yeah, we'll probably go.
Okay.
Like a long stick or something. Here we go. Something long that will actually fit in. Ah, shoot, stop. Tip's bended, that's why. Shoot.
Not hard enough. Here, what if I just do this?
What? Oh shoot, it actually works! We found out! Yeah! Okay, let's do that again. You push down. Oh wait, nope. Well, it's actually still pushed down for us.
Okay.
Oh shoot,
sausage.
that means the dang animal can walk out. Look.
No.
Oh.
It still works.
Oh, did you push down and then pull? Okay, push down on it, just so we know. One more time. There we go, sorry. Push.
Okay. Sausage time.
Okay, well, earlier we got mad because we lost the footage. It Case threw the sausage everywhere and it got a mud puddle, so we're just going to eat it all. Probably. Hopefully we actually
sausage. Everybody gets sausage. Here,
Oh,
hand me-
shoot, no, you did that. Way too close. Okay. No, stop. I'm throwing it all the way back. No! But,
Yeah, what, Jack? Bad, Michael.
what?
Don't do that.
What?
Yeah, no. Okay, we're gonna cover it up.
Shoot,
with
that
some-
one piece. We need to get it out. It's too close. And they could just...
Here.
Or tilt it. Yeah, tilt it.
Okay, it's good.
That should be good.
Here,
It'll
I wanna
eventually
see
work.
how it works. No. We don't.
So, of course, it took us like probably 5 minutes to freaking do that. But
Okay.
we got it. Here, bag.
No, we're just gonna hurry up and show you the dust after that.
Michael, bag.
No.
Case, bag.
I'm the cameraman.
But we got it working. So,
Okay. So
hopefully
we got
some
trapped.
dumb animal like the fox goes
Okay.
in there, and then we
I'm-
end up catching it finally because it's been killing all our chickens.
Okay. Well, my chickens, miss. We'll show you Boss again and the
Yeah,
chickens.
we're probably just gonna kill it if it does get caught.
Yeah, but we won't show you that. We'll show you the dead fox.
Well, we'll just show you the fox before we kill it. Probably then.
And then we'll kill it, and then we'll show you.
We'll probably we'll probably do a video on us showing it and just all that.
Yep.
And then
Here's
we'll
the chicken. He's
probably have to shoot it off camera. And then...
Whoa, Mama's woman.
Oh shit, dang! They're going everywhere.
Woo. All right.
The heck? Oh, dang!
So we'll show you the eggs later. All right, we'll catch you on the next time. All right.
One
See ya.
subscription and 1 like, save Sparky!
No, and one subscriber. Okay. See ya on the next time.